Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Doug and Amanda.
We're not in a position to come to the phone right now because we're in a sexual position. Please leave a message.
What?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Doug and Amanda.
We're not in a position to come to the phone right now because we're in missionary position.
What?
Please.
No, Doug, please don't mention positions in our voicemail.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Doug and Amanda.
We can't come to the phone right now because we're busy getting busy with each other. Please leave a message.
No, okay. How about you do the opening?
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Hi. Thanks for calling Dr. Lovin and his lady.
Doug!
I'm sorry. That's rude.
Thank you.
Hi. You've reached Dr. Lovin and her man.
Wait, okay. You have to say our names or they won't know who they've phoned.
Okay. That totally makes sense. Hi. Thanks for calling Sexy Amanda and Doug Big Dick.
Wait, okay. How about we use our phone numbers instead of our names?
Okay. Sure. Great. Hi. You've reached Sex Threesome and Bone 69.
No, Doug, I don't want you implying that sex is the reason we're not answering our phone.
You want to answer the phone during sex?
No, it's just there's a lot of reasons to not answer the phone.
Not for us.
When we're sleeping.
You picked up the phone at 3 a.m. 2 weeks ago.
How about when we're out?
You answered the phone at your niece's baptism.
Okay, that discount was temporary. I had to buy those tickets fast. What about when we're doing something?
We're sharing a phone right now because you dropped mine into a pot of boiling water. So, no disrespect, Amanda, but you're extremely phone accessible.
It's Doug and Amanda. We're boning. Catch you later.
Really?
What? We weren't boning yet. Hello?